How to fix not posted yet, try again on Instagram. Hello guys, so if you have this problem, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings. Go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then go to the Instagram right here. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Now all what you have to do on this page is click on this force stop option and then go into the internal storage or the storage right here. As you can see, click on clear data and then click on delete. This includes files, settings, accounts and databases and etc. After you click delete, now go back and click on the data usage option and make sure to enable every single option right here. And the last thing you want to do now is click on the power usage details and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. That's it, don't forget to like, subscribe.